have here a periodic table I made to store all my mineral samples. All of these are as found in nature and are not refined in any way. So I'll just give a close-up of each mineral. For hydrogen, we have a piece of gypsum. Over to helium, there is a piece of uranium in a bottle because it decays through alpha. There's a little bit of helium in there. To lithium, lepidolite mica. Beryllium, we have a barrel. And over to carbon, there's a diamond on the left and then a piece of coal on the right. Over to oxygen, we have a piece of calcite, fluorine, fluorite. For sodium, there's a sodium feldspar. Magnesium, there's some periodite. To aluminum, there's mica or silicon, there's agate on the left and black quartz on the right. Phosphorus, there's a piece of apatite. For sulfur, native sulfur. For chlorine, there's salt. And for argon, there is potassium feldspar in a jar. So that decays and produces argon. Back over to potassium. We have some potassium feldspar. Some more calcite for calcium. Titanium, there's rutile needles in quartz. Vanadite for vanadium. I don't remember the name of that mineral, but it has chromium in it. Manganese, there's a manganese nodule on the left and then some manganese dioxide on the right. For iron, there's a piece of iron formation with stromatolites. Over to nickel, the iron nickel meteorite. Copper, there's malachite on the left, and then a native copper from Michigan on the right. There's zinc, there's sphalerite. Arsenic, there's ortmit. Go over to rubidium, there's potassium feldspar that would have some rubidium in it. For strontium, there's celestite. Yttrium, there is the mineral aschenite. For zircon, we have a zircon crystal. There's molybdenite. You can see how soft it is. It marked up the whole inside of that thing there. Over to tin. I have wood tin or cassiterite. Over to antimony, there's stibnite from China. Back to barium, there's barite from Oklahoma. And then over to tungsten, there's scheelite. For iridium, I have a sample of the boundary clay from the KT meteorite impact. It's enriched in iridium. Mercury, a piece of cinnabar from Spain. And there's galena for lead. And for radon, there's a piece of uranium in a jar. And the last one is radium. It's another piece of uranium in a jar. Oh, and then over here, for the lanthanides and actinides, I have a bottle of rare earth sand. It'd probably have a good percentage of all the rare earths. And then I have thorium,